Hello beautiful people, my name is Aisha and I want to welcome you back to the Imperial Balloons channel, where we strive to make you feel like royalty during all your special occasions. So we're going to be setting up a pretty basic setup today. It is just a simple white background with some signage on it, a couple pillars, some baby blocks, and then of course the balloon garland. So the colors that I'm going to be using today are all by Sempertex. We're going to be using Fashion Rosewood, that is the darkest pink color, and then the lighter pink is actually double stuffed. I have Fashion Latte on the inside and Bubblegum Pink on the outside, and this is definitely going to be my new go-to custom pink. I was just in love with the hue that it gave with that latte color inside. It was actually supposed to be rosewood and stuffed inside bubblegum pink, but I had some leftover latte and I was just testing out some color combos, and this one just stood out to me. It was actually me looking for a Tunetank cameo type color. I don't know if I got it right because I've never had that color in person, but I was looking for that originally and I couldn't find it anywhere, so I had to improvise. And then I saw a color chart on Pinterest, and that is where I got the rosewood bubblegum pink combo from. But yeah, eventually I ended up going with something else and I am so happy about it. And yeah, since I have posted this setup on my social media, I actually got another client that wanted these exact same colors, so it has definitely been a hit, and yeah, I'm very happy about that combo. And then the third color is obviously Fashion White by Sempertex as well. I ended up really regretting not double stuffing that one. I had no idea that I was going to be in front of a window. If I had known, then I definitely would have double stuffed it to get rid of that see-through effect that you see on the right side. I see a lot of other balloon artists basically always double stuffing no matter what the color is, even if it's not supposed to be a custom color. Unfortunately, I'm not there yet in my business, but hopefully I will be one day. And then again, it's not always necessary. I mean, if it's a good quality balloon, then you don't need to double stuff, but in this case it would have been nice. And I pre-inflate all of my garlands, so I came to site and saw that, you know, it was in front of a window and I just had to work with it. Could I have removed the white that was in the garland already and double stuffed everything that I needed on site? Yes, but I just felt like for the setup that I was doing, the time that I had, it wasn't gonna be efficient for me to do that. And I didn't have any complaints from the client as well, so they were pretty happy with the setup. It's just me as a balloon artist being, you know, hard on myself and trying to have everything look perfect. You know, now looking back at it, I feel like, yeah, maybe I could have taken out the time to maybe just even do that little cluster on the right, because the one on the left you can't really see it. But yeah, that is definitely something to note. So I would say if you have a chance to go to the client's house or the venue and see where you're going to be setting up at, or maybe at least ask for pictures so you know if you're going to be in front of a window, then you can prepare for that, you know, and double stuff your colors, and also make sure that you add that into your pricing as well. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel, maybe leave a like or a comment telling me what you think about this custom color that I came up with, or maybe even send this video to a friend. And you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. a minute I'm going to be starting to put on my vinyl signage, and this is something that I have been kind of playing around with because I want to start cutting back on my setup time just a little bit. So I was thinking if I put up the vinyl signage at home before I get to the venue, you know, in advance, maybe that'll help with the setup time, because sometimes you could just be finicking with it, or maybe your transfer tape is acting up, or you feel like you can't get it to look straight. But then on the other hand, I feel like I would love to have my garland up first and then figure out where I want to place the vinyl signage, instead of just slapping it on in the middle and hoping that it's going to look right with the balloons. So what do you guys prefer? Do you set it up before you get to the venue in advance, or do you wait until you're at the venue and everything is set up before you put the vinyl signage on there? I would love to know. But that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, maybe leave a like or a comment, or share it with a friend. And you can find me on all social media platforms at imperialballoons.ac. Thank you, and until next time.